Hello everyone, thank you for watching Katsuo channel. Today, we're thrilled to share our gratitude because this channel has reached over 10 subscribers.
Thank you all so much. It might have taken a while to get here, but we're incredibly grateful for your support.
Actually, this channel was paused due to a lack of ideas and limited time for creating videos because of my daily work.
Making a subtitled video takes almost an entire day, and sometimes it barely gets any views, right?
Exactly. Also, I have no idea why the recent E3 series video got over 1900 views. It's hard to predict which videos will get traction these days. But moving forward, this channel will focus mainly on drone aerial footage and videos of diesel trains.
Absolutely. We'd be thrilled if all our viewers continue to support the Katsuo channel moving forward.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe our channel.